Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Intro to Web Development. I'm your host, Creative Builds. In the last episode, we got started on working with user interactions through the magic of a button. This time we'll be tackling a different form of user interaction, which is text input. Our main goal for this episode will be to add new content based on what a user types in, kind of like the very base functionality of a chat application or Twitter-like environment would be. Now let's get started by going to our index.html file. Create a space just below the h1 tag in the body part of your script and simply type in input id equals user underscore input. This would be the area where the user can input some text on your site. Just so you guys know, there's also another HTML element that acts as a text field. It's called text area. It's more useful for a Twitter-like application where you have a multi-line input, unlike the regular input tag we used, which is a single line input. Next, let's head on over to the JavaScript file. We'll start by adding a reference to the new HTML input element we just made. And to do that, we type in let user underscore input equals document.getElement by ID, and then we'll pass in the ID from the HTML file, in this case, user underscore input. Set the inner text variable to be what the user has typed in the user input by using the value variable. Type in p underscore tag dot inner text equals user underscore input dot value. Save everything you have so far and let's run it in the browser. Give it a try and you'll see whatever you type appear as rainbow text when you click the button. Now to level things up a bit, let's add another feature that'll make it more like a chat application. We'll keep a log of previous messages and we'll clear the input field when you submit a message. Head back to the HTML file and we'll replace the P element with UL, which stands for unordered list. An item added to the list is denoted by the LI tag, and they're marked with bullets or dots on your web page by default. Add a new ID to the UL and we'll call it chat underscore history. Swap back to the JavaScript file and we'll make some more modifications. Since we no longer have the p tag, we'll be replacing it with a chat history variable like so. Type let chat underscore history equals document.getElement by ID and then pass chat underscore history in as a string. Chat underscore history is our UL, and now we need to create our LIs by doing let list underscore item equals document.createElement and then pass in a string of LI. It will replace the p underscore tag variable we're using, so delete the let p underscore tag line and change all the points in the code that use it with list underscore item. Now we just add the new list item to the chat history by putting chat underscore history dot append child and then we'll pass in the list item. We also need to add in user underscore input dot value equals and then an empty string. This sets the value in the user input to be an empty string, so that way it clears the input when you send a new message. If you load it up in your browser again and type in a message, press the send button, and then send another message, you should see now two elements on the screen instead of just the one message. You may want more on a chat application, and I'll be exploring that more in the future with an intermediate series where the difficulty is higher but will cover broader concepts. For now, let's stop here. To wrap up what we've done so far, we made use of a new type of user input, which is the text input. We also tweaked it to be more like a chat application by incorporating a chat history in the web page. If you have any questions or feedback so far, feel free to leave a comment down below. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed and learned from this video. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to join our community by subscribing or joining the Discord link down below. And until the next episode, keep learning, keep coding. New tutorials come out 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday and Wednesday, with devlogs same time on Friday.